Introduction of hashing. Hashing is a technique that maps data to specify the location in a table, enabling fast data retrieval through the use of a function, a hash function. So, what is the static hashing? In static hashing, the hash function is predefined and remain unchanged regardless of the number of records in the database. It maps a key to a bucket, that is a memory location or file pages. This is the example of table hashing, static hashing. So in which if you take the mod 4 hash function, only 5 values will be produced. For this to work, the output address must always be the same. The number of the buckets at any given time is a constant. The data bucket address obtained by static hashing will always be the same. So if you use the mod 5 hash function to get the address of AMPLID mflight equals to 103, we always get the same data bucket address 3. In this case, the data bucket position remain unchanged. Therefore, all exist data bucket in memory remain unchanged, while the entire hashing process remain the same. In this case, there are the 5 partition in the memory used to hold the data. These are the operation of the static hashing. First is the searching of data, in which when the data is needed, the same hash function is used to get the address of the packet where the data is stored. Second one is the inserting data, in which when the new data is entered into the table, the hash key is used to create the address of the new data and place the data there. Third is the deleting a record, in which to delete a record, we must first provide the record to be the destroy. The data of this address will be deleted from memory. Fourth one is the updating a record. To update the info, we will first find it using the hash function and then change the profile info. This is the advantage of static hashing. Static hashing provides fast access and efficient storage for a small database by mapping key directly to fixed size bucket. It simplifies record management by converting primary key into hash values for quick lookups. The next one is the disadvantage of static hashing, in which the static hashing is unsuitable for large or extensible database as it lacks scalability and performance poorly with growing data. Its hash function may take longer due to the fixed buckets, and sorting is less efficient compared to other hashing techniques. Conclusion. Static hashing is a technique where the data is not stored sequentially but provides a fixed memory address for each value. Unlike other methods, it ensures consistent result without altering the values of object or relation data in the DBMS.